Yeah, nobody saw them before.
That was a nice.
Yeah?
Sweaty
It's all
again.
sweaty, right? I think it's our bodies just together. Like,
Rob's got something going.
I was always sweaty. But I always, like, every picture of it, like, I look like I just woke up because I'm, like, all sweaty looking.
Sweaty hairs and that.
And I was, like, I had that, like, white skin. Jumping.
I don't know right now. You don't have nothing in mind.
He used to go inside and
Like he couldn't take it or something.
Yeah, he was disturbed.
yeah.
There was a big teddy bear.
He was like all
What a homo.
We used to play with Barbies and shit. He was a big flamer.
He had a teddy bear. It was like this big, and I spraying in the room. Mark was
He was in there humping. But he never went fishing. That's his problem.
Story.
What are you talking about?
Some kid.
Remember Dylan? Paul? Huh? Remember Dylan? Never ready to date Missy?
Yeah.
I know the name. Big homo.
Boom.
I wonder what happened to him. How old is he now?
Did you catch it?
Nice.
Nice.
I friends him on Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Get that one. Get that one.
Ooh.
So what else we got
They're a good one.
right?
Yeah.
They're good one.
Oh, well, there's a finale.
Oh, yeah.
I was videotaping it before.
So was I, and then I was like, nah, that's it.
No. Yeah, you knew that was
Did it like 3 seconds before.
that girl, that little girl. Her father was like, she can't. She gets scared. Remember? He's like, yeah. She was like trying to like pin it.
They weren't mine.
Whose were they?
I met them when I was up there. I didn't bring them nowhere. Hey, my friends, you ever see me hanging out with them besides there? Never.
Changing the subject.
Oh, that's a good one. You gotta time it right. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that takes it pretty quick.
My phone is like a professional camera. It has
It
the
is?
settings for like close-up.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that takes them pretty quick. You know, they're pretty good. That's a good one. I like the ones with that and then a big bang at the end.
Yeah.
Oh,
There'll be a finale.
Like boom, boom.
You just wait.
Yeah, that chest.
Oh yeah, right. It's
I
like
love
a,
those.
it's like a pineapple at the end. That's a fire starter.
Yeah.
That's what they call it.
That's when the house
They're
burns
fire
down.
starters.
That was pretty weak.
You know, there's not a mosquito back there for 100 yards.
We're about to relocate. Secret.
What, are they negotiating over there?
What happened to the music?
Sit down.
Oh,
Sit down.
yeah.
They're in a heavy
Man
debate
down.
right now.
Yeah, they're getting some kind of grand finale going.
Al Mutter! Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Do you remember the year that like Uncle Pat was
Patrick
here?
was running around.
That
And
was
every time they had like bang, 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 they go Al Mutter! Because back on DeWitt, some crazy guy would launch him off his porch and shit. Like in here.
I don't remember that. I remember
kept
the year.
screaming
Because
it.
remember they were all
You don't
Pat. You were
remember
back there
that?
too. Remember you guys were all doing it in a line.
My Uncle Pat was here, and they just kept.
Yeah.
4th of
every
July
time
or
crazy fireworks
here?
would go off, they'd scream
Maybe
pop
you
up
weren't here
tent.
that year.
I wasn't. I missed a couple fireworks shows here.
Oh yeah, no, that was
Yeah, I was.
Pat and Jen were here
Like
with
my
kids.
thord one. That's my third
Yeah.
one.
We set the
Because
we had the couch
they
here.
kept screaming it.
Remember?
That's a nice one. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah. Where the fuck was that one going?
Did you get that one?
Nah, that was way off screen. Where are they running to?
Fountains.
Hey.
All right.
Nah.